Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and fun collage. To make this, you will need white paper or any color paper you like, scissors, a glue stick, acrylic paint or watercolors, or if you don't have any access to paints, you can also use color pencils or markers. First, we're going to make our own color paper. I suggest choosing your colors ahead of time. I usually stick to 3 or 4 colors to keep things nice and simple. Next, you're going to fill in a whole page with each color. Don't worry if the color is not solid. In fact, if it has streaks and the tone is uneven, that's even better. You're going to do this for each color. I did a couple of extra pages experimenting with gradients and textures by either adding salt to the paper while it's still wet, or adding paint with a crumpled piece of tissue, or splattering the paint with a brush. If you're interested in learning how to add more interesting textures to your paper, you can also check out my video on how to add texture using plastic bags. Once the paper has dried completely, we're going to cut it. I first get rid of the white edges, and then I cut the page in half in case I want to use one of these colors as a background. With the other half, I'm going to start cutting a handful of teardrop shapes. These are going to be my raindrops. And I'm going to make them in different sizes. And don't worry if they're not perfect. Then, you're going to cut a handful of cloud shapes, also in different sizes. Again, don't worry if they're not perfect. Now, cut some semicircles of different sizes for the ground area. With the leftover paper, cut some random shapes for filler. You're going to repeat this with each color. Alright, we're going to assemble the collage now. But before you glue anything, you want to try out different arrangements to see what looks best. Take your time in this step. Once you have your preliminary composition ready, I suggest to take a picture of it for reference. Start by gluing the bigger shapes like elements at the bottom of your page and the clouds. Sometimes you'll find that you need to rearrange some of your cutouts for better balance in your composition. The last thing you want to glue is your raindrops. Do this one color at a time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like or subscribe to support my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!